Responsible e-waste recycling is essential for minimizing environmental impact and ensuring the proper disposal of electronic devices. The process involves the careful handling, dismantling, and recycling of electronic waste to recover valuable materials and prevent hazardous substances from entering the environment. Here is an overview of the process of responsible e-waste recycling. Collection. E-waste is collected from various sources, including households, businesses, and electronic manufacturers. Collection methods may involve drop-off centers, e-waste recycling events, or partnerships with electronic retailers. Sorting and categorization. Once collected, e-waste is sorted into different categories based on the type of electronic devices. This helps in organizing the recycling process efficiently. Data destruction. For devices that store personal or sensitive information, such as computers and smartphones, data destruction is a crucial step. This involves securely erasing or destroying data to protect privacy. Dismantling. E-waste undergoes dismantling, where skilled workers disassemble electronic devices into their individual components. This process involves removing batteries, cables, circuit boards, and other parts. Hazardous material removal. Hazardous materials, such as batteries and certain components containing toxic substances like mercury and lead, are carefully removed. These materials are then processed separately to prevent environmental contamination. Component separation. Components such as plastics, metals, glass, and circuit boards are separated to facilitate recycling. Each material is processed separately to maximize the recovery of valuable resources. Material shredding. Some e-waste components, particularly plastics, are shredded into smaller pieces. This helps in further processing and facilitates the extraction of valuable materials during subsequent stages. Metal recovery. Metals, including gold, silver, copper, and aluminum, are recovered through various processes such as smelting or chemical extraction. These recovered metals can be reused in the manufacturing of new electronic devices. Plastic recycling. Shredded plastic components undergo recycling processes to produce plastic pellets or other forms suitable for manufacturing. These recycled plastics can be used in the production of new electronic or non-electronic products. Glass recycling. Glass components from devices such as monitors or screens are processed separately. The glass is crushed, cleaned, and melted to produce new glass for use in various applications. Circuit board recycling. Circuit boards contain valuable metals and components. They undergo specialized processes, such as mechanical or chemical methods, to extract precious metals like gold, silver, and palladium. Environmental compliance. Responsible e-waste recyclers comply with environmental regulations and standards. They ensure that the recycling processes do not result in environmental pollution or harm to human health. Certifications and standards. Reputable e-waste recyclers may hold certifications, such as E-Stewards or R2, Responsible Recycling, which signify adherence to industry-recognized standards for responsible e-waste management. Documentation and reporting. Documentation and reporting are essential for tracking the recycling process and providing transparency. It includes records of the quantity and types of e-waste received, processed, and recycled. End-of-life recycling report. A comprehensive end-of-life recycling report may be generated, outlining the environmental impact mitigated, the amount of materials recovered, and the proper disposal of hazardous substances. Reuse and refurbishment. In some cases, functional electronic devices may be refurbished and reused. This extends the lifespan of the product and reduces the demand for new electronic manufacturing. By following these responsible e-waste recycling practices, organizations and individuals can contribute to environmental sustainability, minimize the impact of electronic waste, and promote the responsible management of resources.